Hi, this is Sriyank Siddhartha and welcome to my course of Android Fundamentals Layouts. I am a freelance Android developer and trainer with several years of experience in the field of Android. User interface plays a very significant role to determine your application's success. Without a user interface, your application user can't interact with your application. In Android, a layout defines the structure for a user interface, such as in an activity. All elements in the layout are built using a hierarchy of view and view group objects. So in this course, we are going to talk about all the fundamentals of designing layouts in Android. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course includes core layout concepts, such as what are views, view groups, and commonly used UI-related terminology, so as to prepare the foundation for this course. Most traditional and most commonly used layouts in Android, such as linear layout, frame layout, and relative layout. Modern layouts in Android, such as coordinator layout and constraint layout. Finally, we will explore how to enhance UI performance. So by the end of this course, you will have a very strong foundation of how to effectively design layouts in Android. Before you begin with the course, you should be familiar with using Android Studio, structure of Android project, how to run application in emulator, and just the basics and syntax of Kotlin programming language. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn layouts in Android only at Pluralsight.